Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope everyone is healthy. My name is Areta Ardanitias. You can call me Areta. I am from the first semester of Diplomatry in Puteng Teknologi Health Polytechnic of the Ministry of Health Semarang. On this occasion, I would like to inform about it. Allogenic and autologous. They are glossaries in hematology. Okay, first I will explain what is allogenic. What is allogenic? Allo in the word allogenic means other, which implies that the stem cell come from another person donor who has the same genetic types as you. The donor usually has a direct relationship with you, for example, your brother or sister. What is an allogenic stem cell transplant? An allogenic stem cell transplant replaces your stem cell with new, healthy one from a donor. You will receive the transplant of the donor stem cell. They are given into a vein, usually through your central venous catheter. They may be infused from a bag, like a blood transfusion, or from blood attached to your catheter. This will take place in your hospital room. Okay, next I will explain the allogenic transplant process. You can see being from the following picture. Stem cells are collected from the patient bone marrow or blood. Blood or bone marrow is processed in the lab to purify and concentrate the stem cell. Blood or bone marrow is frozen to preserve it. High-dose chemotherapy or radiation therapy is given to the patient, and the last throat stem cells are infused into the patient. Okay, the second I will explain what autologous. What is an autologous stem cell transplant? An autologous stem cell transplant uses healthy blood stem cells from your own body to replace your diseased or damaged bone marrow. An autologous stem cell transplant is also called an autologous bone marrow transplant. Using cells from your own body during your stem cell transplant offers some advantages over stem cell from a donor. For example, you don't need to worry about incompatibility between the donor cell and your own cell in you have an autologous stem cell transplant. An autologous stem cell transplant may be an option if your body is producing enough healthy bone marrow cells. Those cells can be collected from frozen and stored for later use. Okay, this is a autologous transplant process. You have following the picture. Number one, stem cells are collected from the patient bone marrow or blood. Blood or bone marrow is processed in the lab to purify and concentrate the stem cell. Blood or bone marrow is frozen to preserve it. Hydrogen chemotherapy or radiation therapy is given to the patient. In the last, thawed stem cells are reinfused into the patient. Alright, that's enough for my presentation. If you have questions, please write them in the comments column. Thank you to the audience for their attention and participation. That's all I have time for. Thank you very much for your listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.